My feelings for you will never die. You say I'm perfect and wouldn't be worth it to try.
Are you lady?
Again.
Yes.
You're going through shit, just don't make excuses. You don't want me anymore. And you say you love me, but tell him you want him. You say you're sorry, but then go look for him. You got me so fucked up. You got me so fucked up.